Hi guys, and welcome back to our channel. We have a very fun camping video that we are in the process of filming right now in this new rig of ours.
Yeah, we just got this rig at the beginning of last month, and this is our first time getting to use it because we've been away on travel and the weather's been like really hot and stuff, so we're just now getting to use it. We're super excited. We're actually camping really close by to our house. It's only 30 minutes away, so it was easy to go on a Friday after work. So yeah, we're super excited to be testing her out.
And somehow it's supposed to be like 40 degrees tonight, and we're in Florida, so it's like perfect camp weather. We have our camp chair. Izzy's mine, and then Miles accidentally bought the tiniest chair ever made.
Yep. So that chair is from Walmart. It was $7.99. I didn't have a camp chair because I ruined my last one, so I picked that one up last minute, but I will be returning right after this.
Well, as you guys saw, we had nachos for dinner. It's a super easy camp meal, so that's what we went with. And we have also gotten a fire started, so super cozy. The sun set so fast, so we didn't get to film like everything we wanted to just because it's that time of year. It just, sunsets come early. But yeah, it's been a good night so far, and we have stuff to make s'mores with later. So yeah, the night will get better.
It is 7:43. We have been here for 2 hours, probably 2.5 hours-ish. We actually finally got the fire going. It took a while because the wood was like a little bit damp, I guess, from like being outside. So yeah, it took me probably like 30 minutes of work, but I think I got it, and it is keeping us nice and warm. So I think we're gonna have s'mores here maybe in the next 30 minutes. But right now we're just kind of chilling, hanging out. There's not too much to do right now since it's pitch black, but yeah, we're just enjoying being outside and enjoying the fire. Good morning, guys. It is a Saturday morning. We have just woken up and we've taken Izzy to the bathroom. She was really hyper this morning. So yeah, we've had a really good morning so far. Last night we slept really good. It did get to 47 degrees, which is pretty cold down here in Florida. So it did get chilly in the tent last night. I think we just need to get a better blanket because our blanket was a little thin. But we stayed relatively warm and I slept pretty good. I think Kaylin slept a little rougher, but she had Izzy right up on her, so that's probably why. But for the first night, I would say it is a success. So yeah, I think we are gonna cook breakfast here soon and just hang out at the camp spot for a little while before heading on out.
We just cooked breakfast. We were having waffles and bacon, and I think it turned out pretty solid. See our stack of waffles here, and lots of bacon. So yeah, we're about to eat that, and it's gonna be yummy. Alright guys, we have all of our camp gear packed away and we got the tent shut, aka Miles got the tent shut. So yeah, we are all packed up and we are about to head on out.
Yeah, we've had a really fun time here. We'll probably be back since it's only like 30 minutes away from our house. So yeah, it was really fun. It was good being out camping again, and we're really looking forward to all the trips and new camping spots we're gonna find with our new rig. We really had a good time. Thank you for tuning in to the video, and we'll see you in the next one.
See you guys.